Hi, it's Sue here, and this is a tutorial to help you with Canva. And the reason why I'm using Canva is because it is a great program to be able to resize photos so that you can print them at whatever size you want to. So I know how frustrating it can be because the software that Kmart and Big W and Harvey Norman and those printing places, Officeworks as well, they don't include a collage feature. So you can't, so I find it very hard to be able to print 3x3s or 3x4s, for example. So this Canva is a great way to do it. It's free, and this is a tutorial to help you. So let's get started. So let's go into Canva. Now, Canva is completely free. So what I'm going to show you is how to set up in it for free. Now, what this has done is, okay, I will move I'll move me down here a little bit. Okay, so this is my current login. I will log in, I will add another account. So I like to continue with email. Let's just do this one. Okay. So my current Canva email address, password. So it's easy enough to set up. And we don't want to save the password. Okay. So this is Canva at the moment. What I will do is I will give you a link that you can, so now that you've set this up, it's free, there's nothing to pay. These are all here are all my projects that I've worked on, but I will send you a link for the photo resize templates that I've worked at, and I'll just pull them up now. Okay, so this particular document here is a 6x4. I've resized it so it's a 6x4, so when you save it, it will be a 6x4. And I have, so let's go into the file. So I've set up each page with different size photos. As you can see here, this is a 2x4. And there's 3 of them because they fit onto the 6x3. This one are 3x4s, so there's 2 of those. Now I've also set up borders, so you can print them with borders automatically. You don't have to add that as a feature when you print them off. So these are 3x4. There's 2 of them with borders. 3x3s, and if you notice there's a little bit of white space there because this is a 6x4. So this actual section here is where you drop the photo in. I'll just show you the rest of them. So 3x3s with white borders. This is a 4x4. So this is a 4x4, and what I've included is an extra little one so that you can use up the whole space on the 6x4. A 4x4 with border, and you can do a little border with the other one. Now here's 2x2s, so you can do 6 2x2s, 2x2s with borders, 3x2s. So I've tried to work out every different combination of photo size that you might want. And then this is a 6x4. Okay, so now that we've got all those, what you need to do is to go over to the side panel and do upload, and that will bring your photos in. So if you click upload and then upload files, and then it brings into the whatever folder you've got your photos. So these are in my picture folder under October 24. So I've downloaded all the photos that I need in October. So what happened in October for me is our cat passed away, which was really sad because we've had him for quite a while. And then these ones are photos of some guys from Argentina that I worked with at Hertz, and that was their last day. So we took some photos. So I'll do a little blurb about how great it was to work with Martin Rodrigo. And then these photos are the concert that Sean and I went to. It was our wedding anniversary on the 5th of October. So we went to a concert then. So what you'll see is I've downloaded them. So all you need to do is to click on them, open, and it will start to download. And then the way to print them, so this is a 3x3. What you do is you just put your arrow onto there, press down and drag. And it just brings it into that. And so this one, press down and drag, and it just brings you into that. So that was 3x3s. I might print them as 3x4s. So bring them over and just drop. I don't think, if you have a look, see if I put it into the 2x4, we cut out we cut out Martin Rodrigo. So what I will do is click on that so that you've got the little white bits of it, and then I'll just delete that. But it still keeps the photo in there. But if I bring over Simba, poor little thing, he was really, yes, he'd had a stroke and he couldn't walk. So they print out quite nicely as 2x4s. Let's have a look and see. So there's one with a border. Click and drag again with a border. Okay. So I don't really want any of these other ones at the moment. So let's have a look and see. So they fit in as 2x2, so that's quite nice. I can just do that. So you can experiment. I mean, the photos, it's only 10 cents or 15 cents to, oops, did that right? No. Let's go back. Put that there. And yeah, so just hover over where the photo is before you unclick it. So there's, I don't want those ones. 3x2. Yeah, at the moment I don't want those. And the 6x4, I could print that out as a 6x4. Beautiful. Actually, I think the other one is nicer. My face is really red in that photo because look at the guys, they've got such olivey skin. I think this first one is better. Okay, so what might I like to do? Now, if you want to say there's you've got some 3x3s and you want to do quite a few of them, what you just do is click on here and it says duplicate page. So what it will do is duplicate it in the next line down. Now I want to say print these out as 3x3, so just click over it. And if you want more, then just duplicate it as well. So duplicate. Look, if you stuff things up or if you have problems, just let me know and I can help you out. You really can't break it as such. So, okay, so now that we've got these photos, we go down to share. So click on the share button and we want to download. Now, I'll bring my face out of here. So file type, we want to change that to JPEG. Okay, now there's actually 12 pages here. So we can click on that and it'll show you the pages where you haven't put photos. So just unclick those because you don't want to save them. Unclick that one, unclick that one. Okay, and then done. So what that's going to do is it's going to download onto your computer. Okay, must have already done. And because there's quite a few pages in there, I think I've got about 6 or 7 pages, it'll download as a zip file. So if we click on here, is it not download? Oh, click download. That could be helpful. Okay, so here's the bar that shows you how it's downloading. We're just waiting. Okay, so then it's saying, let's save this. So I've got it in my monthly memory manager program, but you could put it into your folder that's got for the dates for October if you want. So I might just rename that Photo Resize October 2024. Okay, and then save that. So this is where I have saved my zip file. Here it is here, Photo Resize October 2024. So what you do there is just right click and say extract all, because all the photos are in there, but you can't access them at the moment. So we've got, I will be doing it in that folder. So we say browse. I've actually already done it. So, but I will, yeah, so we'll do it here. Select folder, extract. And we'll just replace these files. Okay, so here's the files here. They're all 6x4s and it just shows you what size. Okay, so this is the folder that the photos have been saved into. And these are all the photos here. I'll show you individually what they all look like, but you can see they have the name of what they have, what size they are. So we've got the 2x2s, and the 2x2s with border, possibly. The 2x4s, the 3x3s, and I've got 2 lots of 3x3s. So I'll open this one up. So this is the 2x2, and we have 6 of those. And that's interesting. It says with border, but this one doesn't have a border. So I'll have to change that for you on the link. So you can just print that as a 6x4 and then cut them up, which is easy. So now I will show you the 2x4s. So this is the 2x4s, and there's 2 of them here, and then this one is blank. And as you'll see, it might print out with that image on it, but it might print out blank, I'm not too sure. So just cut it up and you won't need it anyway. So I'll show you the next one. Which is the 3x3s. And you'll notice that this white bit here is a bit that hasn't got any photo on it. So you just cut that up and discard it. But that's the 2 3x3s. So how fantastic it is that you can print a 3x3. And this was the other one because I duplicated it. And so I've got 2 3x3 photos printed as a 6x4. And these are the 3x4 ones, and they have the border on them. And again, you just cut it in half when it gets printed out. And these are the 3x4s without a border. Again, just cut it in half and you've got 2 3x4s. and this is the 4x6. So just a normal print, which makes things easy. So I hope that was straightforward, and just to show you that I love Canva, and it's free, which is fantastic. So you can resize any photo that you want to and print it out as a 6x4, and then you've got such a variety of different sizes to use, and they're cheap. And again, Canva is free and it's easy to use. You don't have to download the software onto your computer, it's all online. So I hope you've enjoyed that, and I hope that you've got a good insight into what you can do with your photos, and it gives you a bit of versatility, and especially with this monthly memory manager, you can put as many photos as you want to on the page because you can resize them. So I hope you've enjoyed it, and I'll talk to you later. See you later.